Do you think having a disability means that you can't land your dream job? So in today's video, I'm going to break it down into three impactful strategies. So strategy number one. So let's start with your mindset because this is the foundation for everything else. Have you ever thought, I don't think they'll hire me because of my disability? Well, let me tell you something. Employers aren't just looking for skills on paper. They're honestly looking for people who can handle challenges, adapt, and bring unique perspectives. That's exactly what makes you stand out. That's right. That's what makes you stand out. And you know what? I want you to take a moment to reflect on the obstacles that you've overcome in your life, whether it's navigating the world differently or finding creative solutions to everyday challenges. You've got you know what? You've already shown resilience. So think about how those experiences make you stronger and more resourceful than 95% of people out there. When I first entered the job market, I thought my disability would hold me back, but then I honestly realized something. The lessons that I've learned, you know what, patience and problem solving and adaptability are things that not everybody else has. Yeah, I actually started seeing my disability as a part of what makes me unique. So here's a quick exercise. I want you to write down three ways that your experiences have made you stronger. It could be things like perseverance or staying calm under pressure, or even your ability to think outside the box, because we all have to do that if you have a disability. So this honestly isn't about selling yourself. It's about owning your story and being proud of who you are. The moment that you stop seeing your disability as a limitation and start seeing it as a strength is the moment other people will as well. So if you're looking to build confidence and independence, I have put together a free resource just for you. 10 simple life skills to build confidence and independence. It honestly is, a really quick ideas guide. So download it now by using the link in the description and start building your skills today. So now that you have shifted your mindset, let's talk about how you can use that confidence to prepare yourself for success. This next step will honestly help highlight your strengths in a way that really does stand out. Strategy number two is preparation. Preparation is one of the most powerful tools that you can honestly have, especially when you really want to showcase your strengths and those skills as well. This doesn't mean practicing what to say. It's it's honestly about understanding how your unique skills and what employers are looking for. I want you to start identifying your transferable skills. Think about the things that you've learned or achieved and everything that you have done to overcome challenges. For example, managing multiple doctor's appointments. That's really, really challenging to manage all those appointments. And that skill has given you incredible time management skills. Navigating spaces that aren't always accessible might mean that you've developed a creative problem solving abilities. These skills that employers value across every single industry. So no matter what job that you want to do, these skills you can use. So let me share a very quick story. So there was a time that when I had to adapt my workplace to fit my needs, and it wasn't just about making it accessible. It honestly was trying to find ways to stay efficient and productive. When I shared that experience with others, they didn't see it as a limitation, but they honestly saw it as an example of innovation. Another way to prepare is to think about how to answer questions that focus on challenges. Instead of framing challenges as difficulties, or reframe them as opportunities for growth. For example, you might think, I've had to develop a strong problem solving skills to overcome certain challenges, and it's made me better at approaching tasks with creativity and perseverance. Honestly, the key is preparation. Think about the strengths that you bring, practice sharing them with confidence, and always focus on how unique experiences make you the right fit for that particular job role. Now you've built the confidence and prepared to showcase your skills, it's now time to talk about the strategy that can open doors to opportunities like you never, ever, ever know existed. So let's dive into networking. Networking, well, this is one of the most powerful and often overlooked strategies when it comes to landing your dream job. Did you know that most jobs are honestly never ever advertised? That's right, they're never advertised. Many opportunities are filled through word of mouth and personal connections, or even referrals. Network doesn't have to be intimidating. Start small. talk to your friends, talk to your family, and talk to the people in your community. Go along and join local events or even connect with others online who share similar interests. Think of think of networking as building relationships, not just asking people for favors, but you want to have people see your genuine passion for and determination. Another tip is to share your story. Honestly, yes, that's right. Share your story. When you talk about your journey and challenges that you overcome, it honestly leaves an lasting impression. People remember stories, so don't be afraid to open up about your goals and what you're looking for. Now, remember, networking isn't about instant results, it's about planting those seeds. Sometimes those seeds need time to grow into some fantastic opportunities when you least expect it. So if this video has helped you, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe for more empowering content just like this. And make sure you click this video right here because it has some other fantastic, helpful insights. And please remember, your disability doesn't define you. It empowers you.